Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by turning the Koola baby bassinet onto its side so you can access the underside brackets. This exposes the frame joints and the safety latches. Once positioned, remove the mattress pad and unzip any fabric liners so you can see screws and clips. Use a tray to collect bolts as you back them out. This prevents losing small parts and speeds reassembly. Make sure you note which corner has a release pin, because the first actionable step is to depress that pin. Now you detach the fabric panels and rails methodically. Unhook fabric from the plastic strips starting at one corner and working around. This prevents tension tearing. Once fabric is off, loosen the rail screws a half turn each in sequence to release stress on the frame, then fully remove them. Doing this evenly avoids deforming the aluminum. Label each rail and its matching fasteners so you know which piece pairs where. This saves time and avoids guessing later when reassembling. Finish by separating the base. Compress the spring clips with pliers while supporting the frame so it doesn't snap. Slide the base halves apart straight and slow to protect alignment. As you go, bag and label screws and wrap any fabric or mesh in a clean cloth to prevent snags. If a pin is stuck, apply a drop of penetrating oil, wait 5 minutes, then tap gently while pulling. This frees seized hardware without damaging the frame and prevents excessive force that can bend parts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.